Alrighty, welcome back to Southern Custom CC's YouTube channel. This is Mark. Today we're going to do a Mythbusters. We are going to debunk on whether you can turn the jug around on an 80cc engine, have the exhaust in the back and the intake up in front, and still have a working, moving, motorized bike. So as you can see, the exhaust is in the back. What I did was, as soon as it started to bend and then go straight, that's where I spliced it, turned it 180 degrees, welded that back, so now we have a back shooting exhaust. The jug is turned around, the piston is turned around, so I did leave the gasket the way that it is normally installed to maximize airflow there. I'm kind of curious of whether I'm going to get some torque problems because of the transfer ports not matching up exactly, but we'll take a look at that once we get riding. I have a offset intake up in front, and then we have the NT carb, a velocity stack, and a performance air filter. So let's go take this for a ride. Well, there you have it, everyone. We have a working motorized bike. Even though that the jug is installed backwards, the exhaust in the back, intake up in front, the bike still starts, it still moves, and it still gets up to about 30 miles an hour. Now, I think if I adjust the jets slightly, because I have that velocity stack and that performance air filter in there, I can definitely see speeds above 35. I think because of the temperature, and it's not properly tuned right now, that I'm not getting the peak performance of this engine. I am seeing a little drag on torque, and I do believe that is because of the port mismatching, but beyond that, it works. So have fun, everybody. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.